Hi guys, and welcome back. I am back in my workshop, and today we are going to continue with this box. But before of that, how are you guys? How are you? I'm going to start to work on the box, and we are going to chat a little bit. Yeah, I just wanted to know, how are you? How was your weekend? What have you done? Did you have a nice time? Weather? Did you have nice weather? You didn't have nice weather. How are you? Yes, I'm just curious. Yes, and I'm going to add some map. Today I'm a little bit tired because I worked during the weekend, and I will have to work again from tomorrow till Thursday, and I don't know if I'm going to have videos for you. I will try to make, for example, now I can make a longer video and you can see me, you know, collaging on this book box, and then you can see me decorating it and finishing it in one shot, or I could split it in many shots so that you can have this opportunity to have a video every day I am not at my desk working. I'm going to continue to add all kinds of papers on this box. It got sturdier, as you can see, comparing to how it was when we on Friday. For you it's on Sunday. Yesterday. Yes, and I will try to link, to put I don't even know where it is. I think it is here, up here. You will see link with the video from yesterday, and you can see what happened yesterday. I don't remember what happened yesterday because for me it was on Friday. But yeah, I'm rummaging through my papers to see what other paper would I like to have in here. And I'm having some papers. I'm having this one, but no, I'm having this one, and I will actually tear a piece of this. And I will add it here, and I will see what can I do with that corner, what can be done with it. Let me see. I'll take care of that later. Now I don't want to. I'm a little bit silent because, you know, tired. This is a piece of paper from something, from a beauty manual. yeah. And it is all gluey and stuff, but I don't care, because anyway it is going to be painted over. And yeah, I honestly couldn't care less. Here I am with my fingers in the glue again. Okay. I think I will put you some music so that you don't have to witness me being silent and all. But yeah, life is like that. Sometimes we have subjects to talk about, and other times we don't have subjects. And today is one of those days when I don't have subjects. I'm sleepy and my head is big. I'm having such a big head today. Yeah. This one is a little bit too stiff and not so malleable, and it doesn't want to stick. But it will have to stick at one point. It won't have, I won't give it any chance. Do I want this one? Do I want a boo-boo here? We will make another set of I will bring my glue here so that you don't have to see my hand all over again and again. Okay. And I'll put a little bit of music paper. I said music paper, so let's have some music paper here. Am I going to? Do I want to? No, I don't want to. No problem. No problem at all. I have covered some things that I liked, and I have left uncovered some box, but yeah. And I'll have to add something in here like that, and I don't know what it is going to be. What is it going to be? Something like that. A piece of this paper. It is pretty thin, but it does its job. Okay, everything is stuck. Everybody is in place, and we will have to take care of these corners in here and of these papers in here. I'm going to put my scraps aside so that they don't bother me, because then we will have to I found this piece of scrap and I liked it and I wanted it on my box right here, like that. Okay, we will have to cover the inside also. But I will do it with bigger papers. You will see how I'll do it. Now this one is round and I'm going to cut this paper like that in small pieces like that, so that when I fold it, it will stay. Am I having enough glue here? I think so. Oh, and I should have cut this one here also, something like that. Okay, so let's see. When you have glue on your hands, if there is hair in the air, it is going to get stuck on your hands and on your fingers. Okay, and now I will pause you so that I can dry this part. The other parts are we haven't made our but maybe we don't want them so much. Okay, I will stop you, I will dry it, and then I'll be back and we will do the inside. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, and I am back. It looks like this for the moment. It is not bone dry, it is still wet and a little bit warped, but and you know, it moves. But when it is going to be bone dry, it will have a different feel to it. And now I would like to choose the insides from this book, and I'm going to choose some wallpapers that I don't necessarily like, but I think that they fit. Look, this one would be a nice one. Let's just choose. I will just choose. I don't know. Oh wait, I'm having some. Wait, I remember. Because yeah, I'm a hoarder and I cannot give up on those. But I have these cardboards, and I think this one would be really. Let's see, do we have enough? Barely. We don't have enough, but let me see. No, I'm going to put the papers inside after I'm decorating this one. Okay, So there, we took a decision. We didn't commit. We committed on something else, but yeah. Now we are going to go places with this baby, and we are going to paint it. But this is going to happen for you tomorrow. See ya tomorrow, guys, and until then, have a nice week. Yeah, and take care of yourselves. Always take care of yourselves. And yeah, create with joy. Bye.